Hey, this is Joan Pratt, and we are here virtually showing another one of our beautiful listings. So this property here is 3742 Eaglesong, and we are in the Meadows. So many amenities. We're going to go ahead and pan around here. That is, we are across from the dog park. That is part of the hiking trail. A little bit out of view is the Grange, where of course they have water slides and pools. Those are the baseball diamonds here. There is a lot going on right here, and it's just footsteps from the front of this property. So we've got some beautiful mountain views. It's a little foggy out today. Hopefully you'll be able to see some more from the inside. So come on in, let's take a look. This home features this is the family room, and it has a pass-through fireplace into the eating area. It does have a pre-wire in the ceiling for probably a ceiling fan, or definitely for a light. It is cable ready, 3-bedroom, 2.5 bath. And because it's an end unit, we also have this great fenced yard. We're going to go ahead and peek out at the fenced area. So if you have any fur babies that you need to keep fenced in, or real babies, it does have a nice low maintenance patio there as well. Let's take a look at the kitchen. Oh, this is real tile floor. Got some extra storage here, and the property does have a crawl space. If you're not familiar, and it looks like the light bulb might be out. If you're not familiar with the crawl space, that allows you to get to the plumbing underneath the property. And it also doubles as a coat closet. In here we have seating for 2 at this little breakfast nook. Just imagine you can be sitting right here. We've got some nice appliances with a built-in microwave. Even has a light, nice oven, and a very important feature, self-cleaning oven. Nice cabinets. There's also an alarm system over here. We have our soap dispenser. You might have seen one of those in another one of our videos. And one of the really nice features is this new refrigerator. It has the humidity control, and another neat feature, it has this flex zone where you could, oh look, that's the wine section. I like that one. Wine, cold drinks, and you can keep those things separate without having to open the whole refrigerator or freezer. And then down here we have some additional drawers and space there too. And I know that there's pull-outs in here. Look at these. Make use of every inch of space in this kitchen. And then down here we also have our dishwasher. Let's take a look at the laundry room. So we have these accordion doors. Come on and span around this way. There's plenty of room to put cabinets up above, or you could just use that for storage as well. It is set up for an electric dryer. We have our guest bath here. And these are upgraded Kohler toilets with the no slam lids. There's one more thing to look at on this level, it's our garage. So you have some good tall ceilings here. I believe actually there's hooks. You can hang up your bikes or kayaks or any other kid stuff or whatever you needed to put in here. This is the water heater. It is newer, and it does already have a radon mitigation system in it as well. This is the radon system here. We have the extra touch-up paint and extra tiles for the house in case of any accidents. And that's a new screen door. The screen door was replaced with that really nice storm door. And this is the old one here in this box, so you are welcome to use that. And then this looks like there's a little bit of attic space access up top here. And I'm gonna go ahead and open this garage. Tomorrow is trash day. But I want you to get a feel for how So another cool feature of this property is all of this guest parking right here. So right outside your door, there's plenty of guest parking. Got people walking babies. And then there is room in the garage for storing the trash and recycle bin. Trash day, we just learned, is on Friday. Another great open space area there. You can see people along the hillside hiking up over yet another trail. The Meadows is a master planned community. Let's take a look upstairs. So there's lots of front range views out all of these windows. I'll let her take a second and pan out there. This is the master, so the largest of the 3 rooms. Very pretty, nice archway. Again, we have another pre-wire here for either a light or a ceiling fan. Let me take a look at that bathroom. So this is considered a 5-piece bath. We have a soaking tub, separate shower, 2 sinks, and a toilet. For those of you that are light sleepers, you'll want to know that there is no door here currently. So this is an archway, but there is no door. I have seen people put curtains over these for light in the morning. And sometimes you can put a barn door, but I don't really think you could in this case. But this is the guest bathroom. This one here also has a tub and one of those new Kohler toilets. Those are throughout the home. This is a small space, but it's a great space for a home workstation or a desk. It has the internet connectivity here already, and then also the power supplies that you need at a height that's perfect if you did have a desk here. Let's take a look at these 2 bedrooms. Oh, but first let me point out another attic access up here. This is the first of our 2 guest rooms. It has a very pretty mountain view out this window as well. And remember, there's only neighbors on one side. It's our second bedroom. I would guess these bedrooms are about 9 foot square for this one. The other one might be 9 foot by 10 foot. It's a little bit bigger. Well, that concludes our virtual tour for today. We hope you enjoyed checking out this home from the comfiness of your couch or your favorite chair. Please let us know if there's anything that we can do to help facilitate any questions or anything you might have. We're glad to be your resource. Thanks for watching. Make it a great day.